If you've ever wondered how to control exactly what shows up when someone lands on your WordPress site, this guide is going to make everything click. Whether you want a custom homepage or a dedicated post page, I'll walk you through it step by step. Fast, clear, and beginner friendly. Start by opening your browser and heading to the official WordPress website. Once the page loads, go to the top right corner and click Login. When the login window pops up, choose the option to continue with your Google account. This avoids extra passwords and keeps the process quick and secure. If you use multiple Google accounts, just pick the one connected to your WordPress website. Once selected, WordPress will take you straight to your dashboard. Now that you're in, look to the left-hand menu and find Settings. Click it and a list of options will drop down. From there, select Reading. This is where you control what appears on your homepage. Inside the reading settings, you'll see the option to switch from displaying your latest posts to using a static page. This is the key to customizing your homepage. A static page stays the same unless you edit it, which is perfect if you want a landing page, a welcome section, or a branded intro instead of a running blog feed. Choose a static page, and you'll see two drop-down menus appear, one for homepage and another for post page. Click the homepage drop-down and select the page you want visitors to see first. This can be something you already created, like home, about, or any custom page in your list. If you also want a separate space where your blog posts will appear, choose another page under the post page dropdown. Once you're happy with those selections, scroll down and click Save Changes. This final step is easy to miss, but it's what locks everything in and pushes your new layout live. And that's it. You've just taken control of how your WordPress site greets every visitor. Setting up your homepage or post page might seem small, but it makes a big difference in how professional and focused your site feels. If you found this helpful, stick around for more WordPress guides that make your site work exactly the way you want.